yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself.
What is up, you guys? So today's video is for Vlogmas day 3. So I think I'm gonna go to Home Goods first, just because the way it's set up in the strip or whatever, it's like the last building, like the last store at the end. So I'm just gonna probably go to Home Goods first. I might go to Ross, I don't know, we'll see, because Ross is like 2 stores down from Home Goods and stuff, and let's see what goodies they have. Any they might have some stuff for like that make great Christmas gifts and stuff. I really don't plan on buying anything today. I just kind of want to go out. I just really want to get some air and stuff, and yeah, just see what's out there and stuff, see if they stocked anything new, you know, just what's new, like what is new. So if you guys could please subscribe to my channel, be sure to like this video and comment down something below. What are you guys interested, what are you wanting for this Christmas? If you guys want any tips or ideas what to get someone and stuff, then keep on watching. So cute. Yeah, Home Goods had so many cute items for Christmas decor for your kitchen and everything. It was kind of hard for me to record certain things because I had my baby with me and like trying to pick stuff up, and it was just like a hassle. But guys, look at this cute mug. I'm obsessed with the child from Star Wars. Yeah, like literally, you guys, I had so many cute mugs. Like this one was $4.99. They have another one. I feel like I should have bought it. It was $3.99, and they had multiple sets as well that you could match up in your kitchen and stuff for your coffee or cappuccino or whatever you love drinking. They had so many. Like this is the most mugs I've seen at Home Goods for great prices and stuff. For great prices and everything. So yeah, most of them were $3.99, $4.99. Seen one that was $7.99. It's probably the highest one I've seen. They also had some cute like little gift idea mugs where it came with like a pen and like a little notepad thing with the mug. So I thought that was super cute. Also, I didn't realize how awkward it'd be trying to film some stuff, so I'm sorry that this recording was like maybe a little all over the place, but there was just like a lot of people at Home Goods. I also seen this placemat for the dining table, but I couldn't commit to it. But if you are a neutrals girl like I am and stuff, I'm sure you would absolutely love this placemat just as much as I do. This one was $12.99 and came with 4 placemats. This is a nice 39, 40 bucks. I'm wanting one of these. $12.99. It's cheaper than Amazon. I got this one without the 4-piece, $7.99. Like making a lot of coffee and certain drinks. I got all of these flavors. $3.99. They even got keto stuff down here too. Okay, you guys, so I literally only got one thing today, and it was at Ross. I didn't record anything at Ross because it just wasn't like that special to me, I guess, but I did cop these sweatpants, and they were $10, and the tone of it, I just love it so much. They're super cute. It has detailing on here that says love, and it says an intense feeling of deep affection. So I thought that was pretty cute. It doesn't have a drawstring or anything like that, but it does it does kind of tailor at the bottom to hug them ankles and stuff. So let me try them on for you, and I'm excited because hopefully they look good on me. Okay, this is what they look like on. I wish they had a drawstring so I could make this part tighter and stuff, but because it's like a little loose right here and stuff. I could just put it down more and it would fit great, but I like the way my sweatpants look, like high-waisted almost. But this material is super soft, so I'm gonna keep it. I took all the tags off and stuff. And let me see if I can show you guys a different view of them. Everywhere, because my husband will say we're gonna go out somewhere and he has to try like all of them out until he finds the right pair. But anyways, this is the sweatpants. Really, really cute. I love the tone of it. Yeah, these are really cute for $10. They actually had a lot of colors and stuff like pink, blue, and they all had different sayings on it and stuff. But yeah, like I said, this was my type of tone. I feel like it's pulling off more lighter on camera and because I have my ring light and stuff. But they look different in person, like more toned down, so more neutral, and I like it. So yeah, you guys check out your local Ross if you're looking for some cheap sweatpants and stuff, and I'm sure you'll find them because they have a whole bunch, a whole lot. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. It was a super short video. I hope you enjoyed. Today's a video of just kind of seeing what is at Home Goods, but mostly the things that I seen were just like a whole bunch of mugs for the holidays. So I feel like a lot of people are into that, especially this year. You can never have too many mugs or just like tumblers or anything like that. Also, if you're interested in any tumblers, t-shirts, designs, anything, I'm your girl. So be sure to follow my social media if you are interested in purchasing any tumbler shirts and stuff that I have created, or if you have, if you want a custom order, I can always do that for you as well. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe before you leave and comment something down below as well, what you would like to see on my next upcoming videos. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas.